Hello and happy Easter, everybody. I've got myself a nice little bunny here. Hopefully you guys have got plenty of chocolate. I don't actually like chocolate much, but this is a special bunny. So in Australia we have Daryl Lee. Actually, they might be an international brand, I'm not too sure. I think they are an Aussie brand. Yeah, I can't be certain about that. And this one has bullets, raspberry bullets in the bunny. It's pretty heavy. But I've actually been told that this bunny is particularly special and it has a bit of an Opal surprise for us. Which, yeah, it was kind of Daryl Lee to prepare Roy's Rocks a special Opal bunny. So to find out what they're talking about, let's just give it a quick open and see. Alright. Well, looks like your standard ordinary rabbit. It is made out of chocolate. Let's have a look at what's inside. Not seeing much so far. Wait a minute. What have we got here? We've got something inside this little bunny. Oh, would you look at that? It must be a Queensland brand because there's a whole bunch of Australian boulder opal rough in here. Daryl Lee must have partnered with Nick Hoops on this one because this looks to be a nice parcel of Nick Hoops boulder opal. Alright, we got some sparklies. This is all dry as well, and oh, look at that. Nice little stones. Check that out. Wow. God, you find opal in some strange places in this country, but I guess it is the stone that we're probably most well known for, so I shouldn't be too surprised that we even have Easter bunnies filled with them. So, yeah, amazing. I'll have to get to work on some of these in the upcoming days. Long weekend, long Easter weekend, so we've got some time on our hands. Thank the Lord, because I was burning out at work this week, last 2 weeks. So this is a pleasant surprise. Fantastic. Thank you, Nick Hoops and Daryl Lee. Alright, just in case I want to do a making of video, I've got 2 shots at this. I just need one to work. And all I want is this bag of opal to get inside this little bunny. Current plan. Blowtorch. Oh, that doesn't even turn up on camera. Metal knife. I've got to somehow be able to unwrap these little guys without tearing the foil. And then most likely decapitate the bunny. And then weld that back together by melting the chocolate. That's the plan. Attempt 1. No, there's no way. I can't get that back seam off without it tearing. Can I go straight up the back end? I can just get this. Oh. Come on. Come on now. Genius. This is going to be easier than I thought, possibly. Alright. Look at that. Look at that. We've got access. Now, hot knife, thin piece of metal, 1000-degree torch. Let's not be hasty. Let's wear a glove. Get these opals out of the way. So how hot can I get this knife? Let's do this. Good thing I'm doing this on a chopping board and not my opal cutting mat. Couple seconds on each side. How's this gonna go? Oh! We've got fire. Overheated the knife. It's okay. It's okay. We don't have smoke alarm in here. It's fine. Okay. Oh no. Well, I'm not gonna be able to get the bottom back on this bunny. Right. The bottom is lost in there somewhere. This is going exactly to plan. How is this knife still that hot? Alright, let's let the smoke settle. What the hell? There's still smoke coming out of it. It should be cool enough now, shouldn't it? No, chocolate is still boiling hot. Oh my god, just chewing it, there's crunchy bits of burnt chocolate. That's maybe the bottom half of this won't be so edible anymore. I can't even find the bottom plate. Alright, is this gonna fit? I might have been over ambitious with the opal. Let's get it in there. You know what? That's not so bad. Alright, so I lost the chocolate base, but no one will know anything unless I include this footage. So how did it fold? It was something like this, this, and then tail end up. No one will suspect a thing. Look at that. Smuggling opal inside raspberry bunnies is probably not that bad. Not that hard at all. The top on this one's actually unfolded a bit on its own. So look at that. They're basically exactly the same. They stand. If I jumbled them together, I wouldn't know which one's which. That is perfect. This one is a lot heavier though. Alright. Yeah, alright, that'll work for the video. We're golden.